Hello students, good morning. I hope you all have written the classwork of lesson number 2. Today I will give you more classwork. But before giving the classwork, I just want to show you one song. Yes students, it's my desire. I just want to show you one song, and what you have to do? You have to dance. Yay! Yes students, then start dancing when I start the song. Yes, I am going to share you one song. Let's dance. But before that, it's an action song. Whatever these these are doing in the dance, whatever the action that they are doing in the dance, you have to do the same. Yes, so no one is sitting on your bed or under the chair. Stand up everyone and let's dance.
Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
Yes students, you enjoyed? Yes, I know you enjoyed a lot. Yes, now come back to the story. Students, what we have done in the classwork? See, in the classwork we have done head words, then meanings, opposites, fill in the blanks. But today we are going to do who said this sentence, true false, then make sentence, etc., etc. Okay students, so first of all the next exercise is, what is it? Who said this sentence? See, I have told you whatever you want to do, you can do the design in the heading or you can give the exercise numbers. Yes students, it will be attractive. See, number 1, first of all you have to write down the continue. After fill in the blanks, give the heading, who said this sentence? Question number 1, that I can't tell a lie, father. Who said this sentence? Do you all know? Yes, do you all know? Yes, of course. Who said this sentence? George. See, it's the first letter of George you have to do capital because it's a name of a person. Yes. So, the name of the person is George. Number 1 thing. How do you get this sentence is said by George? Yes, when his father came into the garden, at the moment George think, I can't tell a lie, father. Yes, so this sentence is said by George. Second one, I'm glad you told the truth. I'm glad you told the truth. George father. Yes students, George's father said to the George. At the last when George said everything truth, at the moment George's father said this sentence to the George. See here, I have done the inverted comma. When the sentence has started and when it has ended. Starting and end. That means what? This sentence is said by someone. This sentence is said by someone. Okay students? Yes. And here I have done I, then see M. I didn't write AMM. It's a short form of I am. I am. Yes. Okay students, the next. See, match the following. Match the following, it is already in your textbook. But it is little bit confusing. That's why I have given you something easy. So I have given in the answer. Look at the answer first of all, then we will discuss all these things. See, A and B. In the A section I have given the numbers and in the B I have given ABCD, small ABCD. See the answers now. A, I have written E. E is the answer. So you have to do the same. Now we are going to start the solving. Seemed. See, the answer is appeared to be something. Appeared to be something. See, just write down the G here. Number 2, edge. I told you what is edge. Edge, that means cut something into, A, that means the sharp side, a cutting tool. A sharp side cutting tool. See, you can see it's of a sharp side of a cutting tool. V is, you can cut it please, and whenever you start writing, please refer your textbook. The answer is D, the sharp side of a cutting tool. The X, do you know? I show you. The side of cutting tool. Number 3, chopped. What is chopped? Chopped means cut something into pieces. Have you ever seen your mother, your grandmother chopped vegetables? Yes, that is called chop. So the answer is cut something into pieces. Axe, a sharp tool used to cut wood. Axe, a sharp tool. Tool, that means what? A thing. Sharp thing used to cut wood. President. See here, students, a leader of a country. That is called president. President means a leader of a country. Okay? I hope you understood everything. Again, I am going to tell you seemed. That means appeared to be something. Edge means the sharp side of a cutting tool. That is D. Number 3, chopped. The option is B. The right option is B. Cut something into pieces. Number 4, axe. What is the answer? A sharp C. C is the answer. A sharp tool used to cut wood. And last one is president. The answer is A. The leader of a country. Next one. Write true or false. See. Yes, students, it is also heading of true or false. Write true or false. Number 1. What you have to do? Whatever the answer is right, you have to write down true. Okay? Do not write T only. It will be wrong. You have to write down true, the whole spelling of true. And the false, F-A-L-S-E, false. So again you have to write whole spelling of false, F-A-L-S-E, false. See one number. George was not happy with an X. Are you all agree with this sentence? No, because George was happy. That's why this sentence is false. Yes. Number 2, George's mother. See here, students, each and every word you have to read properly. Then and then only you will get the right answer. George's mother went to the garden to look at the flowers. See, tell me, George's mother went or George's father went? George's father went. Yes, of course. George's father went to the garden. But here your teacher has written mother. So this sentence is also wrong. Then you have to write down false. Okay, students, these small things you have to be careful with these things. George Washington was the President of America. Was he President of America? Yes. Yes, students. George Washington was the President of America. The sentence is absolutely true. So you have to write down true, T-R-U-E, true. George, first number, George was not happy with an X. False. See here you have to do first letter capital. It is must. But here I have written the name of George. So it is already you have to write down the capital letter. Because George is a name. George's mother went to the garden to look at the flowers. This is also wrong. So write down false. George Washington was the President of America. True. The sentence is absolutely true. Write down true. So next, what is a make sentence? What is this? Do you ever seen what is a make sentence? Now students, you are now grown up. You can make sentence by your own. Right students? You can make sentences whatever you are seeing in your home. If you have seen TV, dining table, fridge, kitchen, whatever the thing are you seeing, you can make sentence on that thing. Okay? Use prepositions and make the sentence. See first number, what I have given. Garden. See what is make sentence, students? Whatever the sentence you are making. Right? Whatever the sentence you are making, the word has been come into that sentence. See here, number 1. I am giving you the example, garden. Okay? Now I have made a sentence on garden. I like to play in a garden. See, it's an easy sentence. You can make a small sentence by your own students. It's very easy and interesting. Garden. I like to play in a garden. First letter capital. At the end of the sentence, put a full stop. Lie. Lie. We should never lie our parents. We should never lie our parents. Bright. An X was very bright. An X was very bright. Bright means it's shine. Bright means shine. The stars are shining in the sky. We are saying like that. Right? The synonym of bright is shine. That light is very bright. See, I have made 2 sentences on bright. That light is very bright. Students, you can make the sentences by your own. I will like it. But the formation of the sentence, you have to make it properly. Okay, students? So, first number, garden. I like to play in a garden. Lie, we should never lie our parents. Bright. An X was very bright. The second sentence of the bright is that light is very bright. That light is very bright. Students, now you all have to write this classwork in your notebook of English text. Continue. You have to give the date and write down continue. So I hope you enjoyed the song and the classwork also. Be safe at your home and have a nice day.